And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Sorry the state I look right now. I've just finished work and I'm currently on my way home, so there is a few things I need to catch up on. In the last video I told you that there was going to be no uploads for about a week or two. Sorry guys, the sun is literally blinding me and I cannot see a thing, so if I'm looking like I'm closing my eyes, I'm not. But yeah, as I was saying, it's gonna be a bit longer now. 2 weeks, something happened in my family, so I'm taking the rest of October off. So, yeah, there's stuff going on in my family at the moment, so obviously I'm taking the rest of October off from filming and uploading, just so I can spend some time with them and sort things out and help each other out. But that means all my videos will be kind of pushed back, so beginning of November you guys will see all of my birthday videos. The film is when me and Lisa went for a meal and drinks, because obviously I thought it was just going to be me, Lisa and 2 of my mates, but they had to work and it was just me and Lisa in the end, and I thought, you know what, I won't film it. So I kind of done a little prep with me for the family meal video, and I've done a baking video as well, so that's going to go up the beginning of November. Organisation videos to go up as well, so they will be straight after my birthday, and then after that it will be all the Christmas uploads, and I cannot wait to start filming them for you guys. I've got a Christmas shopping, me and Lisa's going to Chatham in November to do a bit of Christmas shopping, so we're going to the range, but I'll film everything anyway. But yeah, just wanted to quickly catch you guys up. For the rest of October there will be no uploads, obviously due to family stuff going on at the moment, and I just want to be there for everyone as well. I hope you guys are all okay. Sorry about the delay of videos that's going to be coming up lately, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry about the delay and all the time off with no videos, etc., but with family issues going on, I'm trying my hardest. I have enjoyed today's video. If you have, like always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. The next videos will be 1st of November, my birthday ones.